it is a 3-tine plug with an actual ground. So running off of a small extension cord is probably not going to be very easy. It's in the off position. So we'll go ahead and turn it on and see how fast it heats up. So here we go. First turning it on. Says 300. Oh, nope. It's actually... Wow. It says it's at 300 degrees already. And I would say it is. That's ridiculously impressive. I'll time that later and tell you how long that took. But that was super fast. Just to see whether or not... oh, it's definitely heated up. Well, one thing's for sure, my 20-year-old pencil took like 15 minutes to heat up. That took like 15 seconds or less. That was pretty amazing. So let's see. Plus. This is degrees Celsius, and it says that it goes up to 480 degrees Celsius and down to 90. You can see it climbing. That is shocking. .480 degrees, and it couldn't even have possibly been a minute.
No, about 15, 20 seconds.
That's amazing. So I don't know that it's going to dissipate the heat that fast, but I'm going to go back down to 300 and test a wire. So I guess it's blinking to let you know that it's over. Oh, there we go.
Wow.
We can actually see how quick it's dissipating the heat. Really fast. Well, I would imagine that a dab of solder will help it dissipate even faster. I've got some wire here that I'm going to go ahead and solder. Okay. So this is nothing fancy. Just some standard small gauge wire, which I purchased this to solder. It'd be nice to test this out with some thicker gauge wire, but for right now this will do. Okay, so we're set to 300. I'll tell you, the wire is heavy enough that it is slightly cumbersome while touching this and trying to move around in comparison to my old pencil that had ridiculously light duty wire. I see that I saw it lower for a second, go back up. Oh, it's definitely... $400 it is. I'll tell you what else. Is the lighting enough? There it goes. Melted in very good. It's a nice, good, tight solder.